everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Aruna from Truthful Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers to become professional pastry chef. और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं one of my all-time favorite dessert, that is chocolate Biscoff cupcake. This cupcake is made with chocolate base that is fluffy and soft, filled with Biscoff spread and frosted with Biscoff mousse. Lastly, it is garnished with Biscoff spread and Biscoff cookies. So let's start the recipe. बट उससे पहले मेक श्योर कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें सो दैट यू गाइस कैन स्टे अपडेटेड विद ऑल आवर अपकमिंग वीडियोस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम इसकी चॉकलेट बेस बनाएंगे। उसके लिए विल फर्स्ट सिव ऑल द ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स इन दिस बोल स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर, followed by natural cocoa powder, castor sugar, baking soda, and salt. Now in this same bowl, we'll add milk, water and oil, then mix everything together to create a smooth batter. अब इसको हम एक पाइपिंग बैग में ट्रांसफर कर लेंगे। We'll pipe the batter into the muffin liners. So our cupcake bases are ready to be baked. We'll now bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the mousse for the frosting. उसके लिए we'll beat whipping cream until it reaches soft peak stage. एंड इसमें हम अपना बिस्कॉफ स्प्रेड को फोल्ड कर देंगे। We'll transfer it to a piping bag fitted with 1mm nozzle. And if you're liking this recipe, then I'm sure आपको हमारी chocolate and hazelnut cupcake की रेसिपी भी पसंद आएगी, link for which is in the description area below. So our cupcake bases are baked properly and has completely cooled down. अब एक एप्पल कोरर के हेल्प से हम इसके मिडिल पे कैविटीज बनाएंगे। We'll fill the cavities with Biscoff spread and pipe the Biscoff mousse on top like this. Lastly, we'll drizzle some of the Biscoff spread and place one Biscoff cookie on top of each cupcake. With this, we are done with the decadent chocolate Biscoff cupcakes. I hope कि आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी ज़रूर पसंद आई. अगर आई है, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe. I'll be back with another new recipe. Till then, keep baking.